Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen to an Android device. First of all, you need to access App Store on iPad and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and then get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now on iPad you need to click on one of those options, Ask App Not to Track or Allow. Then select Allow access to all photos in order to use Send Anywhere app. And click on wherever you wish to in all the other pop-ups. I will go with Don't Allow, No Thanks, and close this window. Then OK. Now you need to open your app on an Android as well. But this time click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then tap on Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to, and choose OK. Finally, you need to click on Send over here on iPad and Receive at the bottom of your Android. Finally, click on Select next to all of those folders and tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Yes, I agree or No thanks. Finally, select Close this window, and now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, then selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can just input this key over here and click on Receive button in order to connect. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!